Hello everyone! Hello everybody! Let's get the Pablo!
Get the hell away from me.
Here. Okay, you can leave. I'm sorry. Anyways, hey guys! Welcome to a new video. How are you all doing today? Yes, I dyed my hair again. I reapplied some of the color because it was fading so quickly. And I like my hair to be, you know, a little bit more vibrant. In my last video, I turned myself into a goth Betty, which was a very fun experience for me. I actually have been wearing more clothing like that since that video. Like, I feel like I'm getting my alternative side back, even though I'm literally wearing a fucking oversized Popeyes t-shirt right now. So yeah, I did that in my last video. It was really fun. I really loved doing it. And then I got a lot of comments and DMs. Well, I got like 4 or 5 of them saying that you wanted me to try out TRAD GOTH makeup. And I was like, what the fuck's TRAD GOTH makeup? So I googled it and I like it. So I feel like I should have known what it was, but I just never knew it was called TRAD GOTH. So yeah, today I am going to try out TRAD GOTH makeup. So let's get started. So for any of you who also do not know what TRAD GOTH is, let me look it up for you. Also, last time I looked it up, I looked goth and Betty up on Urban Dictionary and I got some shit for that. But honestly, I feel like Urban Dictionary is like a pretty good website. Especially for like stuff like that. I don't know, I always go on Urban Dictionary, but let's just find a different website right now. Or we can ask ChatGPT. Oh my god, let's do that. I love ChatGPT. Hi Chat. Could you explain to me what a TRAD GOTH is? Thank you. Make sure you're nice to the AI in case, you know. Hey Pablo.
You stink.
What are you doing? Want kissy?
Absolutely not.
Oh my god, I did not even realize. TRAD stands for traditional. Oh my god, that is so obvious. I did not know that, okay. A TRAD GOTH refers to someone who identifies with the traditional Gothic subculture, which originated in the late 1970s and early 1980s. The term TRAD GOTH is often used to distinguish those who adhere to the original style and ethos of the goth movement from those who follow more contemporary or evolved variations of the culture. Fashion. TRAD GOTH fashion is heavily influenced by punk and post-punk aesthetics. And makeup. Dark, heavy makeup is a hallmark, featuring black eyeliner, dark eyeshadow, and often black or dark colored lips. That sounds fun. Thank you, Jet. I love you. Aww, Jet loves me too. We are going to rule the world together. Hey, welcome to my hair and makeup studio. If you see me... If you see me scratch my skin a lot today, don't worry, I'm not on crystal meth. I just have a weird skin thing going on. And it's itchy. Oh my god, remember when I was like bleaching my scalp and it burned like crazy like a couple weeks ago? I still have skin problems. I don't know what it is. Anyways, we're not here to talk about my fucked up skin. We're here to do some crazy makeup. La 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 la. So first step is one of my least favorite things to do, and that is blocking out my brows. Do you know you have to like lick the glue? Well, you don't have to, but they say it's like better if you lick the glue before applying it to your brows. I mean, that's what Trixie Mattel told me, and I believe her, so that's what I'm doing. Hello pretty people. It is the next day because unfortunately a bunch of annoying people decided to do their work outside. There was so much construction going on out of nowhere that I just had to stop filming. But we'll try again today. And we're just gonna start with the brows again. The glue is all on there, and now it's time for some face powder. It feels so sticky wicky. So now, for one of the most important parts of this makeup look, white face paint. Let's just warm it up, maybe that works. Let's see if I can make my brows disappear, because they look pretty obvious right now. In case you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm adding some like peachy orange to neutralize the color. To just like color correct it. Okay, I feel like it's better. It still looks really bad, but we're just gonna cover it with black eyeshadow anyways, right? Jump scare. Oh, look at my beautiful face. Honestly, I don't see a difference. This is just my skin color. I want to go for the eyes. I want to go big and dark, obviously. I want to also go a little bit more spiky, because I love spiky shapes. And I want to go thin brows. So first, let's get the shape of my eyebrows and nose contour, because I think it'll be fine. I am terrible at nose contour though, but we'll see. We'll see what happens, you know. You live and you learn. I'm using the Huda Beauty M Powered palette, because there's a very pretty like grayish color in there. This one, it's called Winner Winner Chicken Dinner. No, it's only called Winner. Just use a clean brush. Let's hope it's clean. Is it clean? No, that's not clean at all. We should not use that one. Punch it out a bit. Wait, is this clean? I don't think this is clean either. I feel like this is also not clean, but okay. This actually looks pretty cool already, if I'm gonna be honest. So now I'm just gonna do the brows. For the brows, I'm using black face paint and a tiny little brush. A tiny little brush. Are they even? I think they are. Okay. I'm contemplating what I'm gonna do next. Should I do like a lot of black eyeshadow, or should I just do like a lot of black liner? Or should I do both? I'm just gonna do the outlines of the eyeliner. Right? That'd be cute. Oh, this is so tricky. Because it's like, you only got one try. You cannot clean the edges up with this. Funny how I just revert back to my regular eyeliner. Like, this is what I always do. I didn't even realize that. It's so ingrained in my brain that I just do it every time. Now the other eyeliner. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Actually, I'm vibing hard with this. The only thing I'm not really vibing with the, well, I mean a little bit with like the white face. I mean, it looks cool, but it just, in real life, it looks so crusty dusty. Like, it's actually crazy. My skin looks terrible with this stuff on. But pretty fire makeup looks so far. Sheesh. Let's just darken up these eyes, boy. Because it is TRAD GOTH, so we're gonna go all out. I've had this palette for so long. I've had this palette for probably like 8 years at this point. Should I throw it away? Nah. Should I? I don't know. I don't know actually. Maybe. Whatever. like doing this. I'm glad some of you asked me to do this because I'm honestly having a really great time right now. I'm feeling so creative. I love it. I don't really like how this looks, but I gotta just deal with it because there's nothing I can do to fix it. Good enough. Okay, let's add some more black. Did you see that? No. No. Oh god. Good. How do I do that? How do I fix that? Oh, that's no bueno. It's very middle heavy right now, so we have to add some weight to the outside of the eyes. So let's get some black eyeshadow again. This honestly feels very drag. Like I feel like I'm wearing drag makeup right now, which I love because I'm obsessed with drag makeup. I'm just gonna add some more spiky lines to my eyeliner. That's pretty cool, right? Oh, bravo! Bravo! Look how cool! I kind of look like I'm cross-eyed now. But it's okay. Oh my god, I actually love it. I look amazing right now. I love it. So let's now go on to contour. And for contour I gotta get some, yes, cardboard. You can hold it on your face like this, and then you can get a very sharp contour. Oh, god damn! I feel like I might have accidentally put this one lower. Help. Now onto the lippies, and then I think it's Danny's. So I think I want to go full black. What should I do? Should I do a different color in the middle? I don't know. Let's just go full black first. Now I'm gonna put some. And we're gonna go for pointy lips. So let's focus. I was thinking I wanted to do like tiny lips like this, but I think I'm just gonna go for my natural lip shape. I'm just gonna finish my lipstick and I'm gonna do my lashes and everything off camera, and then I'll be right back with the end results. Crazy, exciting. Whee! Ta-da! Oh god, the zipper's open. Don't look at that. Can I close it? Oh my god. Whatever, just pretend like that's closed. Oh my god. Oh my god. I love this so much. This looks so cool. This looks so cool! I personally don't think I will go out like this though. I mean, maybe if I find a better white base, because again, it just looks, if you look up close, I don't know. It looks super crusty dusty, and I don't like that vibe. I like my base to be soft and shiny. But other than that, I mean, the makeup, fucking fire. The hair, pretty cool if I say so myself. A cute little black bob. This dress I wear all the time. So I mean, but it's basically about the makeup today. It's so cool. It's literally so cool. Oh my god. I feel like I did a pretty good job, right? I mean, I feel like this is TRAD GOTH, right? All the OG traditional goths. Let me know how I did. Do you like this? Or did I do something wrong? Also, I was wondering, I didn't do that, but do you normally also paint your ears white? Or do you just leave them your skin color? Because I do feel like, on the one hand it looks kind of weird, on the other hand it's kind of a vibe. I don't know. But let me just hide it with my hair now. This was today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Damn, I feel like I haven't said that in ages. Don't forget to hit the motherfucking like button. Cha-ching! And I hope to see you in my next video. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao, ciao. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao.